Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Hey guys, what's up? Happy Canada Day.
Are we leaving now?
Yes.
Oh God.
So we are actually on our way to a picnic. We're having a family outing, and then we are going to do fireworks later. So that is where we are heading off to.
I'm wearing my black sandals.
Oh, you got the rest of the water? Okay. So here, babes. Put it in there front with the kids. So, yeah, we are out for an adventure today. I'm excited. We're having a family outing. We haven't been out. Well, that's a lie. We've been out, but this is just be a nice outing. We have not been out in a... Oh. One what? Crazy. I want one of the other one.
Silver blue one, my best one.
You want a popsicle?
Thank you.
Or that?
Silver blue and purple.
I'll put the popsicle down. Let's go. Let's go. Oh wait.
Come on, time to stop. Memphis.
Bring another one for your sister.
Come over. Hurry.
Memphis, open the freezer and grab another one.
Another one.
Freezy.
Breezy? What?
Yeah.
Give me bugs now, Memphis?
Yeah.
Here's my freezy.
Oh. Is it after that the soft?
What is it in there?
I'm bringing it.
Eh?
Eh?
What is it?
Okay, lock the door. So I could have soft that and bring it and print that big thing out. The blanket there.
Which blanket?
That one. Just sit down in the grass and stuff. They're at the house.
The grass here.
No. So yeah, guys, we are heading out. Gonna go meet up with the gang, and then well, I'll worry about Carlo that way going. See, he should just text. They said they're by our house. Okay. All right, let's go, guys. Oh Lord. Ah! Oh no. Happy Canada Day. America Day is coming up soon.
Hold on, I'm ready out. Put my phone. I'm ready out white.
You're right now, white. So you're not, yeah, we're burgundy now, white. Close enough.
I'm ready out white shorts.
Oh, you do?
White shorts. I'm red shirt.
Why may I look away?
Well, I'm wearing black and white, so that's alright. I'm still representing.
Yeah, represent Papa Johnny.
I'm Memphis wearing red and black.
I'm wearing
Oh,
white.
okay, they're there. All right, there. Yep. So, guys, your girl got her some freezy, and we are heading out.
I like going.
What do you mean you don't like the one day? That's the one you asked for.
Yes, Daddy, man, the 100.
That's the one you asked for. Hey guys, good morning. So we just, well, I just woke up. Everybody else is still sleeping, and it's a Sunday morning, and I'm the only one up, but I'm going to start breakfast. I figured that the girls would have been up to help me, but they're not, so I guess I am going to make breakfast on my own. And I just started the laundry. I have a thing of laundry that I gotta do, so I'm currently doing that right now. I'm just gonna probably make some eggs and stuff for dinner. Well, breakfast. Sorry, I'm gonna make some eggs for breakfast, and maybe I'll make some hot dog. Okay. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm just gonna put on some hash browns as well, but I don't know. I've never had these hot dogs before. These are all beef. I bought them from Costco yesterday. So we will see how they taste. So I'm just gonna probably take out maybe 4 or so, or 4 or 5, and fry them up along to go with the hot dog, with the eggs. So I'm just gonna make some eggs and cheese. I'm gonna maybe make a quick omelet, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. It is crazy. Well, I finally got the AC properly working in the house. I guess I was still learning how to read the thermometer because when I put it on, it wasn't working the way I wanted to work, and now it's freezing in the house, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to turn it down. So that is what your girl is currently doing. I got some videos that I have to edit, behind in my editing, so yeah, if certain videos are coming out later than others, yeah, it's kind of my bad because I have that. I'm back in school again, so you know how life gets hectic when you're in school. So I had a little break, a week off, and that was it. It didn't even feel like a week, and I'm back. So that is what I'm currently doing. So I'm just gonna get started on these things, and yeah. So hey guys, I just finished tidying up the kitchen, and now I am finally starting to make breakfast. Yeah. So now I just got my pad on, and I am, oh, I forgot my cheese. Oh, I said I was gonna put cheese in this bad boy. I gotta get the cheese. So I'm gonna get the cheese so I could put on the omelet and stuff, and I'm gonna do a nice fruit tray and get everybody to come down and eat for breakfast this morning. Guys, so I got my rice and peas pretty much started there. I usually get up early Sunday morning and start breakfast. Oh, I start dinner and breakfast at the same time, so I'm just making some eggs. So I got some of my eggs and stuff over there. I still have my hot dogs to do, and I'm doing my last egg here, and the table's pretty much set. I just got to wait for the tea to get going, and my rice and peas, like I finished it. The only thing I have to do is wash my rice and put it in. But after we eat, I am going to season our meat and put it in the fridge, and yeah, pretty much leave it there. So, oh, I had some stuff heating up in the microwave to go towards the table as well. So let me, ooh, that is hot. So let me get that going, and I have some bagels that I put on. So I got a little bit of leftover jerk chicken that I'm also going to add to the table for anybody that wants, because it's brunch now. And yeah, I'm just gonna go fry up those hot dogs and get the tea ready, and I'll be there. So guys, I am just finished frying the hot dogs, and that's pretty much it. So this is, the table's pretty much set so far. I just gotta get the rest of the stuff done so everybody can get up and pick and choose what they want to eat. And I got the water boiling for my tea, so I just gotta get the condensed milk. I don't know if anything's in the fridge. There should have been some. So that is what I'm looking for. I can't find any. Pour it out, and then yeah, I'll be back. Okay guys, so there you have it. This is breakfast. Everybody is pretty much here, and we're about to have, well, I call it brunch. So we're about to have our brunch this morning. I haven't made such a big breakfast in a while, so I figured that, well, this might be the only time they get a big brunch this time of year, so that's what I'm having. So that is it. And I'm gonna call, so you got your fruits, egg, sausage, jerk chicken, and vegetables, and everything else. So yeah guys, we're about to eat. Let me call hubby. Babe, breakfast ready. Mario, come. So yeah, we're all about to eat, and yeah guys, that is what we are up to. Oh, finished poured a little bit more water for my tea. And then I'm gonna season up my meat. and everything else. And yeah, because I got my meat over there soaking in vinegar and water. So I'm going to season that up, and then yeah, that will be it. Guys, we just ate breakfast. The table's being cleaned up. And yeah, that's what. And everybody over there is playing. So the kids are more playing games. Hubby's here relaxing, watching another vlog that we gotta edit, and he's also helping me edit, which is nice. He's learning, guys. He's learning how to edit. So that's really nice. Yeah, so I am just cleaning off the table, and once that is finished, I have my meat here to season up. I got everything prepped, and I even have my rice washed and ready to go. So, and sink the dishes all nice and clean, thank God. So, and the kids have cleaned up, fold the laundry and everything. So I just gotta clean the table and sweep the floor, and I gotta finish edit the other vlog that's supposed to go up this week. So I just finished editing one, and that one is going up just right now, and then I have another one that's coming up just now as well. So yeah, I don't know, we might go out down to the lake or to the park or something, or to the water park, just to get the kids kind of out of the house. But we'll see how that goes. I do have some school stuff I need to get done, so we will just see based on when I'm finished what we're going to do, because I know hubby's tired. It's been a very long weekend, and we've been at one end of the city to the next, to other cities. So yeah, if anything, I will tune back in with you guys once I am done and let you guys know what's up. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend and enjoying your summer. We're just trying to enjoy our summer as best as we can. We're not usually in Canada for summer. We're usually always home, but hey, they say it's a first for everything, but that's just because with school and work and everything, we have to be. So we're just doing what we gotta do and just enjoy our summer and call it a day. Guys, we are about to head out now. Dinner's pretty much cooked. Just gonna go have some family time, because your girl needs to get out of this place. Yeah. So heading to the park. I'm going down to the lake to go enjoy. So yeah, guys, we are heading out. Oh Lord, it's so nice outside. So we will head you guys up when we are. Same block off the road on this waterfront patio opening location. Yeah, they have car show down on. See all the fast cars? See, look at this one. Mario. Yeah, look at the system in that. Hey babes, you get to come walk and look at cars and the engine and stuff. I didn't even know they were having this down here today. Over there? Of course, folks. You're gonna have to go park probably over there. I don't think you get no parking in here. Yeah, you're not gonna get no parking here.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and